Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Twisted Shrimpo from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the eyes. Let's draw two large ovals, leaving a gap in the center. Now let's add another oval inside each one. Now let's hop inside again and let's add a circle in the center. And then another circle inside each of these. And now let's color both of these inside circles in black. And let's also color the oval in black as well. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start on each side next to the eyes and let's draw a curve up and in. And then a curve across at the top. Now top down, and we're going to curve each side in. And a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a bump in between the eyes. And a curve to the eyes on each side. Now on the other side of the eyes, let's curve it down with another curve up. And now let's color the bottom section of the face in black. And that's it for the main part of the head. Now let's hop up and we're going to draw two more curves coming up from the top. And a curve across, dipping it down. Now in the center, let's hop up and draw two angles up and out. And curve it back down on each side. And let's color this section in black as well. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start with two curves down. And then close it off at the bottom. Now inside, we're going to add a stripe by drawing two curves across near the bottom here. Now underneath the body, we're going to draw the legs. Let's start with two angles down on the left and two on the right. Now let's add an angle down and out underneath each line. Now at the bottom for the feet, let's draw a curve up and back down. And close off the bottom of each one. Lastly, inside the legs, let's draw another curve at the top. And that's it for the legs. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. On each side, let's draw 2 angles down and out. And then a line across. Now for the next section, let's bring it downwards. And close it off at the bottom. Now inside, let's add a wavy line across with 2 bumps. And color the bottom section in black. Now underneath the arms here, let's draw the hands. Let's start with a bump down on the inside. And let's curve it up and back out. And then let's hop back up and let's draw another curve down to close off each hand. And then color them both in black. And that's it for Twisted Shrimpo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!